Hi everyone, Supercarbaldie. You may remember I published a competition about 1 month ago. So the winner has been chosen. Her name is Maiju, and today she's going to come and enjoy her ride with Supercarbaldie. Okay, here's our competition winner. What did you think? What do you think of the car?
It was really fun. I didn't expect it at all to be that. I don't know what is it?
Yeah. So nimble.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nimble.
Okay, so now you've been around the track, you've seen it. Would you come and drive it yourself?
Sure. Why
Yeah.
not?
Okay.
Next time.
Maybe that's the next one.